So we're back in Ahmedabad and the great man gets the trophy out to the middle. The same trophy he laid his hands on for the first time 12 years ago in 2011 when India won the World Cup. And the match coming up here is one of the greatest rivalries in sport. India versus Pakistan, match 12 of 45. And we are coming to you live from the Narendra Modi Stadium. Just seeing this pitch, it'll be easy. Oh, nice shot. It's a quick outfield and the first boundary of the game. It's 4 for no loss. And more runs, this time on the onside. So both batsmen starting off with a boundary. And drives down the ground now. That's an even better shot. Oh, that's eased through the offside. It's a quick outfield. And he's quick Shreyas Iyer, but the ball wins. And one of the great qualities all these great fielders have, especially at point, is which cannot be taught, is that ability. Again, they look for two. Good lines now from the Indian bowlers. 28 for no loss. Oh, good shot. Very good shot this. Just hitting through the line. Walked away on the onside. It's racing away. Gets a boundary. And it's come off the bat. 7 gone. 37 for no loss.
Very low as well, and I don't think they should review this. It's a good wicket too. That's Abdullah gone.
Yeah, no review. I don't think he should even.
It has that effect. Babar Azam, current form not so great.
Chance that will keep low or skids through, and if he hits the seam,
he's played that fine. There've been some balls on the pads today from the Indian bowlers. 48 for 1.
Where they can hit a batter, maybe cause some injury.
Wants to, but not be enjoying it as much. That's gone for 4. There's a fielder there, but good placement on that occasion. Oh, that's gone as well. It was very close to the fielder there, Kuldeep Yadav, the man.
Past both those men. Will it go for 4? It does. Edge taken. They needed that. Hardik Pandya finds the outside edge. India have their second. In form, Mohammad Rizwan comes in at number 4. Off the mark. So good comeback after the boundary. Clip timed beautifully. I'm not sure the sweeper's getting there. No, he's not. Lovely shot. Lovely shot. Straight back past the bowler. Take that, Shardul. Glorious. He's at his best when he plays that shot. Just growing in confidence.
Some game, that too. That should go through. So vocabulary really improved.
Yeah, and then we use that against each other. I remember before the game, our pre-match example of that has to. And every
with you on that, maybe there's no harm in trying.
Big appeal, massive appeal. Are they going to go upstairs? Got to see where it pitched.
It's pitching in line.
Sachin still with us. Sachin, you finished the game now for some time.
children who are the future of our country to have a solid foundation to realize their dreams.
There's Babar Azam there. Oh, just about carrying. Took the pace off, but that ball has run away for 4.
That is...
So he's a big wicket. And that's a wonderful straight drive. Now that's something you don't see very often Rizwan playing that ball so... Has found the gap again. No fielder in the deep. And that brings up the 50 for Babar Azam. He's short of runs, but what a stage to make a comeback to form. Bottom hand, and he's found the gap. Now this is starting to look dangerous. Gone. Mohammad Siraj was looking ineffective, but just like in the last spell, he's bounced back with another wicket.
And these two are capable of doing that. These two batters are very good.
Well, he's celebrating before appealing. From the reactions, you would think the batters... Easy one for the batter. Just a long hop from Kuldeep Yadav. He doesn't bowl. Oh, is that ball round the legs? Seems like it. Was a googly. Did it pitch in the rough?
Bowled in. If it's not Kuldeep Yadav, it's Jasprit Bumrah. And the Pakistan innings in tatters now. 4 wickets for the... Oh, he's all over Pakistan at the moment. Jasprit Bumrah, 2 and 2.
Started the fun for India and
Edged past Rohit Sharma. It went quickly, too quickly for Rohit. Down the pitch, down the ground. They've got to target someone. Maybe it's Hardik Pandya. Gives himself room, long on, mid on. Taken. Can't keep Bumrah out the action. It did wobble on him. And they're not going to do that. That's a big slog. Shubman Gill, mid-wicket. That's another one. Oh, close. Close. Is it sliding down? They need the on-field umpire's decision on that. It may be clipping.
It's pitching in line, impact in line. Wickets
It was
is
hitting. 3 reds.
Murray, I'm going to ask you to overturn your original
Pakistan
decision.
have been bowled out for 191.
Second part yet in this World Cup, has had an outstanding year, over 1,200 runs, averaging just over 70. And I've felt for him not...
Clipped away for 4. What a start for India. Oh, he's on his way. He's down with dengue. Naseem Shah ruled out for the World Cup. Right. Oh, brilliant. How sweet is that? What you'll see in the replay is him.
Timing. Just like that. Just like that. And just the sound off the bat.
That's 4 again. Ball under pressure. Tried to bowl away from the channel. And it's gone. Flies to point. Afridi gets a lucky break here. Bit of width. He's a fantastic. Nice shot. Just timing on that one. Using the pace of the bowler. Nicely clipped away. That's going to be 4. Doesn't hit as much in that area. One bowler from the back. It's gone flying into the stand. Short ball, always a dangerous tactic. So another 4. This time is the Virat Kohli pull shot. Oh, brilliant. What a shot that is. Virat Kohli at his best. Oh, they're loving it. Well, he's gone for it. And that's going to be 6. What a delightful shot.
now how good is that? That's gone massive six. Oh, chance of a run out at the keeper's end. Direct hit would have had Virat Kohli in a lot of problem. There's a slice for six. It's all too easy for this great striker of the ball, Rohit Sharma. What a statement he's made. That's up in the air and taken at mid-on. The bat, the splice of the bat met the ball, and so a soft dismiss. There's the pull shot, and it's into the gap for four. He doesn't have the pace really, Hassan Ali, to bowl that length. That's gone fine for four. Misfiring that one on the pads, and an easy shot for the right-hander.
Yes, if you're on the pad.
Another half-century for Rohit Sharma. He continues to thrill and amaze. There's that six. That is beautifully played by Rohit Sharma. Picked up the length early and then had plenty of time.
Dress there, so nice to see her. That's four. He's found the gap ever so easily. Another boundary.
And over all the way. It was tossed up by Shadab Khan. It was dismissed by Shreyas Iyer. In the wicket. A little paddle sweep. Shaheen should catch up with that. Full toss. And that will just be belted into the sea of blue. Down the pitch, down the ground. India in a hurry to get back to their team hotel. Flat bats it square. And that is, they'll have to check that. Toe into the bat and gone. It was a slower ball, 134k, just rolling his fingers down the side, and the change.
Many people. Oh, that looked as if it had taken the edge, but it hasn't. 1-6 because you can't just rely on Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli all the time. You need to win a World Cup. Oh, that's four. That just sums up.
Oh, that's smashed down the ground for four. All too easy. Hassan Ali's
Pull a bit, bat a bit. Clean strike. 50 for Shreyas Iyer. And India finished.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, क्या हाल है भाइयों, ठीक हो भाई? अभी थर्ड अंपायर का डिसीजन आया है और अंपायर कॉल पे बात आई है। बॉबी भाई बच गए हमारे, लेकिन दोनों बहुत बेहतरीन बैटिंग कर रहे हैं, बहुत बेहतरीन। पिच जो है ना, फास्ट बॉलर को तो असिस्ट कर ही नहीं रही पिच। स्पिनर हल्का फुल्का गेंद स्पिन कर रहा है। जडेजा ने जैसे आगे रिजवान को थोड़ा सा परेशान भी किया, लेकिन ये दोनों रिजवान और बाबर दोनों बहुत सेंसिबल बैटिंग कर रहे हैं। जहाँ पे लूज बॉल है वहाँ पे हिट, जहाँ पे सिंगल डबल है वहाँ पे सिंगल डबल।